Hey, making money on YouTube does not have to be as expensive and exhausting as it appears. On this channel, we'll walk you through simple step-by-step approaches on how to start, sustain, and paramountly make money using your YouTube channel. If the good life is your purpose on this channel, be my guest. We'll bring you some of the best travel destinations in Nigeria and around the world. Lifestyle tips, recipes, not forgetting simple photography hacks that will give your videos the most epic look. My name is Michael. I'm a YouTuber, a graduate of chemistry, and a model. I must assure you, you are in the right place and I am honored to have you on this channel. Subscribe to our channel, turn on the bell icon so that you'll be the first person to be notified each time we drop a video. We want to give you only the best, so leaving comments of your recommendations will help us know exactly what contents to create for you. Like and share our videos. Thank you and keep